Hello Jammers, it's Cakemonster 90 here, and I'm here with Hershey Guy from Hershey Park. And I got these Animal Jam toys, and I want to show you them. And I already got two, and I did that off camera, but I'll show you guys later. So I'll go from small to big. Okay, so here, it looks like I have a posh raccoon and a pet kitty. Now, let me just open this with my bare hands. No scissors needed. Okay. I might need help. Oh, and I forgot to show you, there are others. I'll show you that on the next one since I'm already opening this one. Let's see. Come on. Yep, I'm opening it up right now. Just throw all the paper. Oops. Oh my god. I forgot. Phew. The exclusive gift code. I almost ripped that. Okay. So here it is. Let me just take it out. The bow came off. Let me just put that in here. And let me take off this code. Okay, let's put that in there. And here is, let me just take them out. Let's see. This is hard to get out. This guy's tough. Oop, the kitty fell. Wait, I said pal. No, the hat came off. Now, let me put his hat on. It's a police hat. I guess he's a policeman. Here he is. That's cute. Now, let's put on these wings. He's a flying cop. And he has a bow, which is weird for a boy. On the tail. It's cute right there. Now I could put the bow, it looks like I could put the bow on the kitty's head.
Just let you know, okay? Oh, did I break something up?
Sorry about that, guys. My dad came in to tell me something. And here's the kitty. It's cute. Let's put these guys back here. And I might need to have a second number 2 video. Sorry, I'm a little sick. And let's see, will I have time? I could open this. I'll show you the back ones, and I'll have to make a number 2. Okay. So here are the back ones. Let me show you, guys. Oops. So we have, what does that say? Lucky Monkey, which is what I also got. The Sir Penguin and Pet Bunny, that's cute. Let's see, the posh raccoon that I got. This is, oops, sorry. I can't control this. Right here is the one I got that I did off camera. Don't have, it's a cute otter. Fawn otter, cute. And the bunny I got. Alright guys, please come for the next video, and bye!